We all know how it goes. The shouting, the terse remarks, the threats, and that's just at breakfast time. Then we go to work, and it begins all over again. When people are unhappy with us or our organisation, we soon catch their feelings, and often our first reaction is to apologise to stop the attack. Sound familiar? Try this instead. The 5-minute recovery plan. Was that really necessary? No.
Sorry.
And that's the mistake that everyone makes. We apologise too soon. So here's a routine that works much better than all those apologies and whining about how it hasn't happened before. First, we have to fix the feelings. Rule number 1, don't apologise. Because the quickest way to help someone to feel better is to listen to them. You're obviously really annoyed that we're not able to supply the new part as I promised. When we allow people to talk about their feelings, they feel better. It's a neurological fact. Talking about feelings makes them less big, because as soon as we have named the feeling, we begin to engage a different part of our brain, and the elements that produce feelings quieten down. Now we need to fix the trust thing. Again, avoid apologising for now. Someone who is complaining will start to trust you again much sooner if they know that you have taken them seriously. Do this by proving to them that you've picked up on the most important element of the damage caused. So the worst thing is that you're now way behind with production and are going to really struggle to meet demand. Now tell the person how you are going to fix things. Again, keep it short because they don't want to hear about your business processes, your cat, or about the cool new machine that you have for recycling paper clips. They want to hear about the solution. And because people don't like dealing with companies, try talking as I and not we. Okay, now you can apologise. The best thing here is to be specific, be brief, say it once. I'm embarrassed that this production fault has happened again after I promised that it wouldn't. I'm very sorry. People make mistakes. Companies make mistakes. The important thing is to know that an honest, empathic reaction can recover most situations in just a few minutes.